I was so tired of rinsing buckwheat separately and spending so much time on such a small task, so I decided to order a colander for washing rice and grains from Wildberries. I was immediately pleased that this grain washer with a capacity of 950 milliliters is made of durable, transparent plastic. All I need to do is fill the bowl with grains, cover it with a lid, and place it under running water. In just a couple of minutes, the grains are perfectly clean and rinsed, and most importantly, not a single grain ends up in the sink to clog the drain. I left the item number for this wonderful invention on Wildberries in the description.